What's up everybody, MTmotoRIDER here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the new EXO R1-AIR helmet from Scorpion. Alright, let's see what's in the box. This is the EXO R1-AIR from Scorpion. The CORPUS Phantom, the all black one, is the one I actually wanted, so that's the one I went with. So there's the helmet and the helmet bag. I think that is the dark smoke, yeah, that's the dark smoke visor. It comes with one of those. And a visor bag, that's awesome. Because when I do carry my backpack, I always have like my clear visor in the backpack in case it gets dark on me or whatever, so that'll come in handy. And the pin lock, that's awesome, comes with the pin lock too. But this helmet is beautiful and it's really light. But that is the R1-AIR from Scorpion, EXO R1-AIR. And the air is because it actually has a pump in the chin right here where you can actually pump up the cheek pads, so that's pretty cool. You can get a more custom type fit with the cheek pads with doing that. But that is the Scorpion EXO R1-AIR, and let's get some better shots of it. So that is the new EXO R1-AIR from Scorpion. It is a beautiful, beautiful helmet in person. This video probably will not do it justice. I'm not going to go into a whole lot of detail as far as the features and all that kind of stuff. I mean, if you are interested in this helmet, it's the EXO R1-AIR Corpus helmet in the Phantom graphic, all black. And you can look up all the specs and features yourself if you want to know anything. I will wear it for a while and then do a follow-up review video on it as well. I will also be doing a video with this helmet in my Motovlogging for Beginner series as far as how I mount my camera and Sena and putting all my microphones and stuff inside the helmet. I plan on doing a video for that because I've actually had a lot of people ask me about that, so figured I'd just do a video on how I install everything in my helmet. So look for that video as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the new EXO R1-AIR from Scorpion. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Get subscribed to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.